In penlang ka ahor ya ka fifth ahor 4x4x challenge ar phulai nadu ka khat khandai tarik hadu phawei tarik urisau ar phulai hakar sati nature park umtham ribhoi district habakran chekilat patai khubor u general secretary uba Ferdinand Kharjarin ula ong bamenta usnem kindon hadu lai teliki category but in one shim bentaru ki bana Sikkim Assam but naki weki jilla
Ferdinand Kharjarin Regional Secretary Jongga Club New Trip Adventurous Off-Roaders Ahor in short dia iwan hangni ban pentip sekipai baka club jongi yang penlong yang mentau senam kalau ngasnam babasang bangi penlong ya kenika 4x4 off-road event ya kabakan long haka tarik khat kendai hadu akwai tarik jong bunai Oktober arhaja akulai de ngasno komen sibol nama ba hakisnam di baladap nioi bagi bon di partisipan sekat nang ni usnam kinang simbeta kinang bon bagi nioi ya upgradation jongki ya kali jongki de kani ka ai mensim ni kumki members ka club bangin penlong ya kani ka event bat mentau snap le na kermen bak hambun susu kali menjadikan kidon palak ngerpo mentang ngakrai kala berpoin nyopo tiligi kali ngindon lai tiligi kategori mentau snap modified category semi modified bat ka stock category kadon ka special attraction tu nak pentang itu ki badon ka kali 4x4 de ngidon ka off road trail ini ke off-road trail belong it's a fun drive off-road. Kamde ke competition, ndai bakwa banjoin kila banwan, kin hapan siu di entry fee barit. Pada ni kermen ke sadan di kantor ni, ngidon di girls women's category ru mentau senam, kibani compete kitrak kibani sepen krek. Kitrak mentau senam kilong ibakam tough bani ke macam senam ru, nomor ngidai bagi partisipan ila upgrade kali jauhi tingiru accordingly minang penkiu nakawai ke level sakawai ke level hair itu bagi judge sports but kalau setengah itu kata but kiba banyak kali berang 4-wheel drive kemudian snowfall kaknu bajeng setengah banyak ini kali hamtam hakitrak bagi penkrek hitrak bagi penkrek ilong natural track badai hipop cloud hipop harsatipa teman senam kidai mentau senam kitrak dalam hamtaf bat dalam enjoyable ikor ri paiba nakaleng sodong sokun jong kari khasi jongi makin wan ban witness nimshim bayru ru free entry nak mentagi nong man pika te mentau senam ilayo di competitors di banwan napo Sikkim ru tidak di mana po Assam tu, but tidak di mana kita state na po South India tanpa tempat confirm dengan pak laban orang kata. Nakabenta ke finance, ngihum ke club, ngim don seng joni kalau kebarit tak contribution di members, haban don pun kini program, ni approach dari government department, la approach tourism department. Dengan tourism department na lingba jungka Melian H Limited ngelayo ketuk ni ka jingerap tinggal approach ka Department of Sports NBC ru tinggi kermen menginyo ka jingerap na kiro marba klaim kapisa minum la pale tinggi kermen ba ka jingerap jong department sebenarnya po sarkar ya kini lang minta klub ka jongi namar ni ke bangiyo ni peluk na minta di nong ile kai jongi ke tang kata
presiden event. This time will be the 5th event 4x4 challenge. It will be held in Karsati Park from 19th to 21st 3 days event. So I invite all the people who are interested in participating in this kind of event 4x4. We invite all of you. I invite all the public also. You can come and see this different type of sport. It's a fun sport, exciting sport. You will love it. there will be no entrance fee. It will be free for the spectators. So I request General Secretary to explain a little bit detail.
Yes, I'm Mr. Ferdinand Jadin, the General Secretary of Adventurous Neogram Offroaders, Ahor in short. This year we'll be conducting the 4x4 off-road challenge in the month of October from 19th to 21st of October 2023. And as a club, we invite all the off-roaders from the state, outside the state, and from India to come and participate in our event. We have exciting tracks in which you would love. The tracks are natural in the jungle of Karsati Park. It is in Rimbhoi district. I think you must have seen some of our videos in the past events. The off-roaders must have really liked those tracks. And this year, I will say that the tracks are more tougher compared to the previous years. And we have many participants who are coming this year also, from outside Meghalaya also. So we once again invite all the spectators, the participants to come and join us. There will be no entry fee for the spectators, free entry, but for the participants there are entry fee, registration fee as we have mentioned. For the modified, entry fee is 15,000. For the semi-modified it is 10,000. For the stock it is 6,000. And we have a special offer to our friends who are having a 4x4 vehicle. We have an off-road trail to drive in the off-road tracks, which we will provide to you. And you have to pay a small entry fee of 3,500. That includes for the driver and the co-driver. And if they wish some of the friends to be in their vehicle, they just need to pay 500 extra per head. Because why? We will be providing the food, we will be providing the t-shirts, the stickers, the badge, the cards, and all many things. So if you calculate, this entry amount is too small for them. So I hope once again this year will be a big event, and I wish all of you to spread our the objective, and through you will reach all over the world. And thank you.